Outletwise dispatch report. Let us see how can we avail this feature of route management, where you can generate a report of which outlet needs how much quantity of raw materials. To begin, we have to log on to our owner's dashboard and then go to Central Kitchen module. Under Central Kitchen, you will find the section for inventory. Inside inventory, there will be a route management heading where you can find outlet-wise item dispatch report. As you can see here, you can apply filters in regards to date range, the routes, the type of document, whether it is a purchase order or a registered sales, and the category of raw materials. Let us select our date range, and in my date range, these many raw materials, 4 raw materials, were demanded by the outlets. As you can see here, these are the outlet names, and these columns are for the category of raw materials and the item name of the raw materials. Once done, this particular outlet ordered 65 kilograms of stock in total, and the grand total is also visible here. With help of this report, you can actually create packets and plan your dispatch. So packets or boxes can be made for the dispatch, then it could be loaded to the truck, and everyone has a clear point of view of exactly what items are gonna be delivered to the particular outlet, or what items will a particular route require. So all the checkpoints, whether it is getting the truck loaded for the dispatch or whether it is unloading specific raw materials at particular outlets, any of the tasks can be managed with this particular report. To export this, you can click here and select Export All. An Excel sheet like so will be generated. Or if you want to export this summary with an amount in the form of a PDF, which is actually a dispatch summary report, so that you can actually plan the entire dispatch in terms of quantity, raw materials, and the amount also. Once done, you can proceed to dispatch the raw materials. Thank you.